Hello guys, and welcome back to another interesting story. If you are new here, kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon for new videos. American singer cum songwriter Madonna Seke, popularly known as Madonna, has announced that she will be releasing a song with Nigerian Afrobeat star Fireboy DML. In a post she shared on Instagram, she revealed that she worked on the remix of her 1998 hit Frozen of her album Ray of Light with the Nigerian icon, and it will be released on March 3rd. Frozen became Madonna's first single to debut at the top of the UK singles chart. The song after its debut also became a worldwide commercial success and her sixth single to peak at number 2 on the US Billboard Hot 100. In as much as Ghanaians are doing very well with the songs they are making, Nigerian artists have taken the lead and are connecting with A-list artists in Hollywood. Recently spotted together were Justin Bieber and Wale, and Rema and Lil Nas X, among others. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Have a blessed day.